Replacing this battery can be tricky, not just with installation, but choosing the right battery that will fit. So I'll show you the easiest method with a full step-by-step replacement, including which battery to use and what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, it's good practice to disconnect the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. It's all explained in this video link on the screen if you're interested. The positive clamp is loosened with this nut, but we'll have to come back to this terminal as you'll see a bit later. The bracket's held in place with two nuts and a bolt on the strut mount at the back. You might get away with not doing this, but loosening this cable will leave you with enough space to remove the battery. Then once the secondary bracket is removed, the battery is free. But before you run off to go and get some tools, you'll need to get the right size battery. You might have a stopper installed here to fit the same size 60 amp hour battery, but if you remove it, you can install the 70 amp hour version. I'll share some info on these sizes a bit later. The battery we're installing is just temporary, but 15 millimeters lower in height. This was the battery height used on previous Fiesta models. We'll see shortly why choosing the wrong one might not fit properly. The first challenge with a lower battery is that the terminal won't seat properly because the cable will catch on the side. So in this case, we had to twist it forward. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. Then secondly, there's quite a bit of space between the bracket and the battery, so it won't be secured properly. Before we look at the battery sizes, tighten all the bolts and nuts and finish off with a negative terminal. To match the original battery size, the 60 amp hour version should have these dimensions, but as mentioned earlier, the 70 amp hour version can also be used. I'll leave some links in the description to buy the battery online. This vehicle had the engine light on before the battery change, so you shouldn't have any warning lights. No radio code is necessary and one-touch windows should still work. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.